Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change time between the OSD timeout on your Acer XB241H. So OSD is basically when you press on this button and press on the input. It's this menu we see right here. Now in order to change that, we'll need to go down with the second button on our OSD. From here, go for the fourth button right here and you'll be able to go to OSD timeout. Now select it with the fourth button again and you'll be able to change the time to whatever you want. So right now it's on 120 to make it easier for us to change this and go through this menu. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.